Minute Maid time!
It's Minute Maid time! Here's what we're going to make today. An easy tambourine. And to make one of these, you will need an empty sweet tube, a glue stick, 3 pieces of pipe cleaner, a strip of card, and 3 pet balls that you can get from a pet shop. Now, do you think it's possible to make this in just 1 minute?
No way!
Oh, really, Tocky? Well, I think I can do it, although I will have to be very quick. Don't worry, though. I'll remind you how to do it at the end. Are you ready? Great! Let's make it in a minute! OK, let's get our 3 pet balls and our 3 pieces of pipe cleaner, and we're going to feed the pieces of pipe cleaner through the balls like that. There's one, and let's do another one. There it goes, through. And then the last piece of pipe cleaner goes through this pet ball. Now let's get our strip of card, and if we lay it out, we're going to put one at the top here first. Now I'm going to wrap the pieces of pipe cleaner around. There we go, like that, so it's in place. Then I'm going to put one in the middle. There we are, wrapping that round again so it's nice and tight. It's in position. And last but not least, I'm going to put one at the bottom.
Faster, faster!
I'm going as quick as I can, Tocky. Right, let's make sure they're all in position. I think they are. Yes. Right, let's get our sweet tube and put some glue on both ends. That's that end and that end there. Oh, I better hurry up. And if we stick our strip there and there, we can make some music with our tambourine.
Only just?
Not bad, eh? And if you've got more than a minute, you could decorate the handle by painting it. Nice! You could even add some stickers to decorate it. Ooh, or why not try using a bigger sweet tube and lots more balls? Hey! An easy tambourine made in a minute. Why don't you try it? Here's a reminder of how to do it. Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Feed the pipe cleaner pieces through the pet balls. Wrap the ends of the pipe cleaners around the card and space them out like this. Finally, stick the card to the tube and your easy tambourine is complete. Why don't you try and make it in a minute?